You work with young people in science at the Berkeley University. Do you think young people need some motivation to go into science?
No, I don't think so. Science is now so exciting that motivates them by definition. I don't think they need extra push to be motivated.
You also cooperate with Slovak scientists.
That's correct.
Do excellent scientists, for example in the US, need some motivation, some appreciation from the public more than they already have? And if so, do you see a difference from Slovak scientists?
I think scientists all over the world are very similar, We are driven by the question, by general curiosity. And I don't think the famous scientists in the world, have been specially motivated by anything else but by their inner interest. Now, what concerns me, of course, here in Slovakia, that people are too much combining the science with money. In the West, we are not super rich, but we are comfortable in terms of finances. And so one has the luxury to really be motivated by just the curiosity. In Slovakia, I would hope that the students would not be so much concerned about money. Now, I understand that their support is not as substantial as perhaps the Western scientists get, but money is not everything.
In robotics, we see a lot the cooperation between the academics and the commercial or the private sector. How do you perceive the role of the private projects or the private subjects in robotics and in science in general?
If you are interested in some difficult questions, like in my lecture, Laura was talking about understanding the muscle, those don't have immediate applications. And therefore, it's sort of 10 years ahead of time. And that kind of work has to be supported by the government or more the public sources. On the other hand, if you think of some gadget that can be put to applications and utility, then private resources are well justified.
What are the responsibilities of academics and also the industry in robotics? In your point of view, what are the responsibilities today?
First of all, I think that whatever scientist claims has to be supported by experimental evidence, or if it's a theoretical result, by proving some theorems. But I'm worried that sometimes scientists are too eager to make big claims that are not fully justified by the evidence, and repeatability and robustness, as I said, and evaluation of what is the validity of your algorithms or your device, where you can guarantee some results, and beyond those you cannot guarantee anything. So the scientists have to be very honest.
Do you think scientists should bring the science to the public? Should they involve the public to understand what they are doing?
Well, that's a difficult question because we all have different roles. And there are people who really are very good in taking some results and translating them so that they are accessible to the public. Then there are others like myself who are not that good in this area and more just pursue the inquiry about the basic understanding. So, but collectively, I think as a scientific community, we need to do both.
What does science mean for you personally? What does it mean for your life?
It's love and commitment to make a difference.
You still work, you
Yes.
still teach, you still do the research.
Yes.
Where do you find the energy to continue on?
That is not credit to me, but it's credit to my parents, who gave me good, strong genes that allowed me to do what I love to do. But you know, as I get older, I don't have the same energy as I used to, but I love what I'm doing. My late husband, who passed away not long ago, said, you know, you want to have a job that every morning you get up, you are looking forward to go to. And I'm very fortunate I have such a job.